Grade 9s, and welcome to Term 2 online. I hope you're all doing well and are safe with your families. Sorry I can't see you face to face, but I want this to be as quick and easy as possible. So here we are sitting with our research project. Many of you have started it, but you're like, wow, sir, this is difficult. So I want to walk you through a few things today, starting with the most basic. For those that haven't started, how do I access this information and use it to my advantage? So if you go into Google Classroom, you'll see under Assignment 2, 3 different files. I've opened those 3 files in the tabs above, and we're going to look at how we can use them. If you go to the assignment, which most of you have seen, you need to choose Topic 1, Topic 2, or Topic 3, whatever interests you and you feel connected to. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to choose Topic 1, which is about sport. Now, we're going to use this information and put it into our template and get started with our research paper. So if the question is already written, all we need to do is copy it and then move into the template which I shared with you. This template is going to make your life very easy. You just need to fill it in with your own information and submit it to me. So where it says title of your research project, the title of a research project should be a question. And what we can do is just paste in the question from the topics that I've given to you in the assignment. Where it says first name, middle name, last name, that shouldn't stay there. It should be your name that goes there. And that first page then is already done for you. If we move throughout the template, you'll see that there are lots of things written, and most of it you can just type over. It's expected that you'll type over it. If we go back to the table of contents, you'll also see it looks a little bit weird. It's got these strange hashtags here. Those are just what we call placeholders, and those need to be filled in with real page numbers as we progress. So for example, using the template, if I go to the introduction, it starts on page 1, and all I have to do is put in a 1, and I'm good to go. I'm going to teach in the next lesson about how to write a good introduction and how to improve an introduction. But all we have to do here is take this text and highlight it and just type right over it. Okay, no harm, no foul. Even though I can't type. Okay, you get the point. So, use the template. All right, look through the assignment. And in the next micro lesson, I'm going to teach you how to improve and write a good introduction to a research paper. Talk soon.